San Ignacio Elementary School, the barangay officials, headed by the barangay captain, Nelly E. Gisalan, PTA officers, parents, fellow graduates, and to all who are here today, good morning. Today is a day we have eagerly awaited, the culmination of our elementary school journey. It's a day to celebrate the countless of our hard work, dedication, and growth that have brought us to this moment. I am honored and humbled to stand before you as a representative of this remarkable class. As we gather here today, we cannot help but to look back on the memories we have created throughout these precious years. From our very first day of school, innocent kindergarten pupils stepping into unknown with excitement and nervousness, to the friendships that bloomed like beautiful flowers, and the laughter and joy that echoed through the hallways or even classrooms. Our time in this school has been truly unforgettable. My classmates, together, we have faced challenges and overcome obstacles, both in our studies and in our personal lives. We have learned that perseverance is the key to success, and that determination knows no bounds. We all made it because of our teachers. To our teachers, from kinder, Ma'am Lilibeth, grade 1, Ma'am Mary Jane, grade 2, Ma'am Shelo, grade 3, Ma'am Heidi, grade 4, Ma'am Anamer, grade 5, Ma'am Delia, and grade 6, Sir Michael, who have not only taught us academic subjects, but also valuable lessons, instilling in us the importance of kindness, empathy, and compassion. Thank you so much po. We will not forget you. As we look towards the future, we embark on a new adventure, entering a world of endless possibilities. High school awaits us with its own sets of challenges and opportunities. Let us embrace this new chapter with courage and enthusiasm, knowing that we are well prepared to navigate the journey ahead because of this school, San Ignacio Elementary School. While we are excited for what lies ahead, we must also take a moment to express our gratitude to our beloved parents and guardians. Thank you for your unconditional love and unwavering support. Mommy, Papa, Mama, thank you so much po. Lalong-lalo na sa pagiging parating nandyan sa lahat ng bagay. I know that you have sacrificed a lot just to secure my future. Salamatulon po. And to all the proud parents, congratulations po. Bigyan naman po natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan. Because this is not just our day, but to theirs also. Beloved parents, you have been our pillars of strength, guiding us with wisdom and encouragement, and standing by us through thick and thin. We owe our successes to your constant belief in us. And we promise to make you proud in the years to come. To our exceptional teachers and school staff, and to our dear principal, thank you for your dedication and passion for teaching. You have been our mentors, our role models, and our biggest cheerleaders. Your tireless efforts have helped us grow, not just academically, but as individuals. And we will carry the lessons you have imparted with us forever. To my fellow graduates, I will really miss you. Thank you for making this journey so special. The friendships we have formed here and the bonding that we have created are invaluable treasures that we will cherish for a lifetime. Let us continue to support and encourage one another, even as we venture into different paths. Our diversity is our strength, and as we spread our wings, we carry a piece of each other in our hearts. As we move on to high school and beyond, let us remember that success is not only defined by achievements or awards, but by the positive impact we have on the lives of others. Let kindness be our compass, empathy our guide, and perseverance our driving force. Congratulations to each and every one of us for reaching this moment. Let us embrace the future with burning desire to accomplish everything what we truly love. Let us soar with excitement and optimism to the ocean of endless possibilities. For the world awaits our unique contributions. I have no doubt that we will shine brightly and make a difference in the world. Once again, thank you, and God bless us all on this wonderful graduation day.